Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Pennyworth Expense Tracker app on your mobile phone. This app is a personal finance app that helps you keep control of your spending, plan for the future, and manage all your expenses. So, to download it, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for Pennyworth Expense Tracker app. As a result, you can see the app here, Pennyworth Expense Tracker app. Click on the app and over here, click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to use this app. Now, the app is ready to use. Use it to manage your expenses. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.